Boom shakalaka, this Bitcoin signal has triggered every bull run and it just flashed once again. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including the one signal that has triggered every bull run. No, not a halving, and it has just flashed once again. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 58, up from yesterday's 55, but same area as we were last week. The overall market up almost a whole percent today. Bitcoin at 32.34, Ethereum at 18.63, BNB at 2.36, XRP 46 cents, Cardano 28 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Solana 22.18, and Litecoin 97.93. And if you wanted to ask AI a question, like, AI, what's the next 100x coin? Did you know you could do that and actually get an answer on Token Metrics? Well, you can. It turns out the answer, according to Token Metrics Analytics, the next potential 100x coin is Squidgrow. It has a TF investor grade of 70.3, which is above the threshold of 70% for long-term investment. The fully diluted valuation is 9.5 million, indicating it's currently undervalued. The next 100x coin would be Squidgrow. And if you want to ask Token Metrics AI chatbot questions about cryptocurrencies, you can do so. There is a free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today hovering right above the $30,000 big even, finding support on those levels. And pretty much for the past 2 weeks, Bitcoin price has been range bound between roughly 30 and 31.5. Now, while price may be moving sideways, you know what's not moving sideways? The amount of Bitcoin held by institutional funds rising significantly here since BlackRock filed for spot Bitcoin ETF. With this much buy-in, it's likely that this thing is going to pass and everybody else is betting on that as well. Right now, we also see Bitcoin's realized price creeping upwards. This is the 90-day price realized change. We can see we're in the area leading up to a halving where generally it's above this red line, and it just continues to creep upwards till we see new all-time highs in this black up here on Bitcoin price. So it looks like we are in the all-up territory. Bitcoin right now just warming up according to this accumulation signal down here on the bottom. Well, we're in territory right before Bitcoin's blast off. Now, it may go sideways for quite a bit longer, as we saw back here in 2020, but the setup is very, very similar. Impressive. Bitcoin just repeats the same thing over and over again. Who knew? I did. A lot of people knew. But it's still, it's hard to believe as price comes crashing down for those of you who've been in the market for the past 2 years. Isn't it impressive how Bitcoin has been moving the same way for 10 years now? Basically has an expanding bullish megaphone, and then price comes crashing down. And once it breaks out of there, new expanding bullish megaphone, and then price comes crashing down, and expanding bullish megaphone, price comes crashing down. And guess what? We've broken out of there recently for the past few months on these monthly candles. Another chart, just keeping it simple for Bitcoin on the RAR indicator, we can see right here, as it breaks from red to back above in green, this historically has been moments that have signaled the very beginning of bull run. And look at this, just recently breaking out from red back into yellow and potentially green, signaling, hey, bull run is on. Where could we be headed? Well, how about this? This run does seem very similar to 2015, 2016. Should we have the same thing? We could just be on this nice upward trajectory, continuing through the halving on to new all-time highs. Right now, though, on a shorter time frame, the weekly time frame, we have the cup and handle. Right now, we are sitting at the very top of that cup and handle. If Bitcoin breaks the handle, it will break both. We have a handle in a handle on both the 2-day and the 1-week chart. Should it break both, well, that could send Bitcoin quite a bit higher. And one more piece of evidence that the bull market is on, maybe a bold statement, but PA says that the bear market is over. We can see this right here breaking through on the bottom here, suggesting we are in bull market territory, which brings us to this one last chart. Very interesting chart. This one signal has triggered every bull run and did not signal here during that fake run in 2019. What is it? Well, It turns out that a double retest of the golden 109 Mayer multiple line says that parabola is loading. Because you can see every time we double tapped here, there was a parabola in Bitcoin price. Double tap, parabola, double tap, parabola. Well, once again, we have a double tap of that 109 golden line, followed shortly by a parabola. We may even see it before the halving. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.